Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, we will show you how to delete your Tradingview account, whether you're switching platforms, taking a break from trading, or just cleaning up your accounts. This guide keeps the process simple and easy to follow. A Tradingview account gives traders and investors a complete web-based platform for financial market analysis, real-time data tracking, and social networking. It is a one-stop solution for viewing, analyzing, and trading, used by over 16 million people worldwide. To delete an account in Tradingview, we can do it in the simplest way. Let's go through the steps together, so even if you're new, you can follow along. First, open your browser. We go to tradingview.com. Once we are on the main page of tradingview.com, we go to the upper part where you can see your account logo or mini logo. Click this one. Then we go to Settings and Billing. Click Settings and Billing. Under Settings and Billing, you will see your public profiles, privacy preferences, account settings, active session, subscription payment, mailing history, subscribers, and notifications. To delete our account, we go to Account Settings. It's under Account and Security. Click this one. Above, you will see Sign-in credentials pop up. In the lower part of the Sign-in credentials, you can see the Delete Account option. Click to proceed. You can delete your account by clicking this Delete Account button. Deleting a Tradingview account is mainly done to permanently close an account. Stop recurring subscription fees. Stop using the service, or remove personal data after a breach of terms. The process takes 30 days, during which it can be canceled if needed. The published ideas and scripts stay on the platform for community integrity. And that's it. Your Tradingview account has been successfully deleted. Remember, once it is gone, all your charts alerts and settings are permanently removed. So make sure you really want to delete it before taking this step.